So the second goal could be out of these 10,000 people, um, increase conversion rates, or yeah, let's use um, receive a conversion rate of five. No, yeah, let's use five. No, let's use eight. 8,000 website visits. So we're defining our goals here, right? So that we can now know how we will draft our marketing campaign and which marketing channel or which digital marketing channel we'll be using, right? So we have said we want to increase our brand awareness of products to reach 10,000 people online. Of the product to reach 10,000 people online. Receive a conversion rate of 8,000 website visits. That's how much website visits we want to get from the duration of this marketing campaign. Also, we want to receive a conversion rate of at least 5,000 sales. 5,000 sales. 5,000 sales of the product. These are the goals that we're setting. We want 8,000 people to visit the website. We want 5,000 people to buy the product, and we want our brand to reach 10,000 people online. That is, 10,000 people have to, be aware of our brand. These are the goals that we're defining, right? So we need to be very, very, you know, very, very straightforward about our goals, very clear and concise. The second thing that we're going to do in this digital marketing campaign that we're creating, right, is to choose the right channels. And like I mentioned, not all digital channels are created equal. Some channels will be more effective for your business, and you just have to choose the right channel that your target audience is using. That is the most important thing. Choosing the right target audience. I'm sorry, choosing the right channel that your target audience is using. Now, since you're defining a marketing campaign, part of the goals will be making use use okay, sorry. We're going to prioritize the channel in this goal. Prioritize ties and make use of social media marketing. Remember, social media marketing is one of those um, digital channels that we discussed, right? I'm sure everybody remembers that. And I'm using social media marketing because it's literally the most popular one that we're all familiar with. Okay, so in this digital marketing campaign, we're going to prioritize and make use of social media marketing to reach our audience. The another reason why I'm using social media marketing is because a lot of these social media platforms they've already leveraged their technology to be able to they've leveraged the technology to be able to reach certain demographic of people based on the parameters that we set them. So all we have to do is just go to the paid, or go to the sponsorship or brand sponsorship part of the platform that we're using, right, and make sure that we follow the guidelines there. So we're prioritizing and making use of social media marketing to reach our audience, right? But social media marketing is also a wide it is also a very wide range to use to measure our goals here. So because of that, we're going to put in brackets Instagram. Instagram. So we know that Instagram is going to be our main or our major focus, not main, a major focus in this social media marketing campaign, right? Let's even use two, can be two, Instagram slash Twitter. So we're already defining the goals here one by one. So it would be very clear to us after we execute this marketing campaign, when we measure the results of the marketing campaign, if it doesn't tick off all these goals, that means that was a failed marketing campaign, right? It has to meet these goals that we've set to a certain extent. Do you understand? It has to meet these goals that we set. If not, we have just wasted money on that marketing campaign. Because if you budget 1 million naira for this marketing campaign and it doesn't achieve any of these goals that we've set, that means we've just wasted 1 million naira. 1 million naira for a business that could have invested that 1 million in some other aspect of that business. But let's continue before I digress. The next thing that we want to do after choosing the right channel is creating high quality content. Your content is the heart of your digital marketing strategy. You can't I can't really stress that, right? So we have to make sure that our content is informative, engaging, and relevant to our target audience. So we need to create high quality content. And high quality content is also a very wide way to describe content. So we need to create high high quality content. High quality content. But in this campaign, because high quality content is also a very wide way to describe content, we're going to say high quality video content in brackets product videos videos product videos. So this is the content that we're going to be using to you know market the products that we're selling, right? And we're going to be using product videos. We're not going to use people in the videos, right? We just want to use product videos because this can be shot in house. If you're going to use people, you'd have to like um, shoot a proper commercial for that, where you would hire a large production crew and hire a director, a cinematographer, a production agency, all of that, right? But we just because it's a small campaign. I mean, I'm not even shared the budget of this campaign. It's a small campaign that we're trying to create, so we're going to just create product videos. Product videos are essentially videos that show certain show the product, or showcases the product in a very compelling way that it would it would it would create interest in me as a potential user to want to buy the product. So these product videos will contain things like technical features, contain details, contain details like technical features, like technical features, technical features. It could be that it has a noise cancellation system in the airpods. It could be that it also has ear muffs. It could be that it has wireless connectivity. Obviously, it's Bluetooth, so it has to have wireless connectivity. It could be anything, rather anything really. Sorry. So we just want to make sure that this video is high quality. It contains all the information. Remember in that document that I shared in my presentation, I shared that your videos, your quality content has to be informative. It has to be engaging, and it also has to be relevant, right? So in this high quality content that we are creating now, it has to contain technical features that people are looking out for. So it should have specific information that they need. So it could be wireless connectivity, noise cancellation, um, um, maybe a Bluetooth range of 500 meters. It should contain all those things that people are interested in. Really? Do you understand? So that's really our goal here as a digital marketer. We should not miss out on the important information that this product contains. It must contain every informative information that this product has. It should also be relevant because you don't want to be mentioning things that a previous product has. It must be relevant to this particular model of this product, and it also has to be engaging. Engaging in the sense that it is compelling. When you watch the video once, you might even want to replay the ad and watch the video again. Do you understand? That's how engaging. How That's how engaging is, or that's how you describe engaging. So, in continuation of creating this campaign, we have to promote the content, right? So we're going to promote the content. Where are we really going to promote the content? Where? We have to promote the content, right? But where? Promote the, so in these goals now, we're going to promote the content using, because we've already mentioned major channel here is Instagram, right? Let's just use one social media platform so that the example is more, direct. So we're going to promote the content using what? Using Insta sponsored. Basically, promoting the content is that you are paying Instagram, you are paying this particular social media platform to show your content to the people that you want it to show, to the people that you want your content to reach. But you have to define how they will see this content. So now we are promoting the content using Instagram stories. Instagram stories could also be Instagram, Insta, Instagram Reels. Now, this could be when you're watching Instagram Reels. When you scroll, it scrolls up to a reel of your own promoted content. Instagram Reels. It could also be through, what's it called? On your feed, Instagram feed. When you're scrolling on your feed, on your timeline, Instagram feed. We're using Instagram as our major content because we've already defined it here in part of our goals, because that is social media platform that we are prioritizing, right? So, in part of our process of defining the goals, we have to promote the content, but we have to promote it using specific mediums. These mediums could be Instagram stories, Instagram reels, or on the Instagram feed. So when we are setting the parameters for how we want to sponsor or promote the post, these are the things that we will be looking out for. And we're not just looking out for them because we want to, or because we feel like, but we are looking out, we are using them because it is relevant to our target audience. Do you understand? Our target audience, if they are going to see our products, if they are going to see our high quality content that is here, right? They have to be able to interact with it in a way that the video is engaging to them. So we've already prioritized it, Instagram stories, right? So our video is going to be on their full screen. When they are scrolling on Instagram stories, they are going to be able to see the Instagram. They're going to be able to see the promoted content that we've sponsored on the full screen. So they are not going to miss any information. Do you understand? So we've already specified how we're promoting the content. The last thing we're going to do now last thing we're going to do is to track the results of our campaign. I need to write that down. Track the result of our campaign.